Hello friends. Hello friends, you are all welcomed in Philosophical Knowledge for UPSC channel. It is basically for the competitors of UPSC exam and for main exam. We have finished in audio 18a characteristics of Prakriti. Now these are some proofs of Prakriti, its gunas and so on, something special. It's okay. Now come to the point. Next is proofs for the free existence of Prakriti. Ishwar Krishna has stated following arguments for the free existence of Prakriti in his Sankhya Karika. This is Vedanang Parimanat Samanvayat Saktitah Pravritescha Pravritescha कारण कार्य विभागात वैश्य रूपस्य वैश्य रूपस्य. Now come to the first proof. All worldly objects are limited, dependent and transitory. Existence which holds these substances must be unlimited, free, external and one, which is Prakriti. Point 2. By the analysis of worldly things, it clear that these objects, pleasure, pain, or neutrality, which are qualities of sattva, rajas, and tamas. These qualities are existent only in Prakriti. Next point, whole world, point third is, whole world is in the form of effect. There must be initial cause of these effects, which is Prakriti. Different worldly things are mutually organized. Works of such organization is given by Prakriti. This is fourth point. Fifth, in expressed from effect, indifferent to cause, which can be held not by limited existence but only by infinite existence. We consider limited holders of these, then it would lead us towards fallacy of infinite regress. It is told here that if you go from a step to a step for the incidents and matters for the world, we have to achieve only infinite regress. No result will be found. Prakriti and Gun. There are three types of gun, qualities in Prakriti. Characteristics of these qualities are light, movement, and dark. Prakriti is formed by these qualities. Gun described by Sankhya is different from that of Nyaya Vaisheshika. According to Sankhya, qualities are helpful for the aim of Purush. These qualities are connected to one another like the triad of the rope. Description of Gun. Satgun. This is white in color, light, and in form of knowledge. Things moves upward due to Satgun. Sunlight, the earth, due to Satgun. It is Sattva due to which mind receives subjects of the intellect, pleasure, joys, contentment, etc. Such are obtained by Sattva. Next is Rajas Gun. It is self-dynamic and makes other dynamic. Sattva and terms are inactive movement is projected to Sattva and tamas and by rajas. Rajas is red in color and anxiety, dissatisfaction, discontentment, etc. are caused by rajas. Means rajas actually provide the movement to sattva and tamas. Sattva and tamas both are in dynamic form due to projected uh, dynamic light from the rajas or dynamic motion from the rajas. Next, tamas. This gun refers ignorance, inactivity, distraction, etc. Things fall downward. We get sound sleep due to it. Its color is black and it is naturally heavy. These three qualities are present in different proportion in different things of the world. We know inferential knowledge of different things on the basis of these qualities. Sattva and tamas is contradictory. Rajas gun provides motion to sattva and tamas, and in this way many things of world are emerged. Above mentioned qualities are ever dynamic, having two stages. Sarup Parinam. First stage of these gunas combined together is Sattva uh, pari, Sattva Parivartan or change in itself. When gun acts into itself, which is Saval stage of the world, means this is a stage of pralaya. In Hindu mythology, there are two concepts, pralaya and srijan. So when these qualities are in static form, this is a stage of pralaya. Prakriti is holder both pralaya and creation. Virup Parinam. In this stage, one quality tries to overlap another two qualities and due to which worldly objects take place or evolution take place. Virup Parinam starts when Purush connects with Prakriti. Such connection is quite different from worldly connection. This connection is like the reflection of Purush on infinite equilibrium of Prakriti. Gun Chov starts. According to Professor Hiriyanna, multiplicity of world can be explained only by three gunas, not by two, because two qualities will be exclusive to one another. Means two gun, if there be two guns, they may be contradictory to one another. Now come to comparison with Nyaya Vaiseshika gun. According to Nyaya Vaiseshika gun, it is the attribute of substance, but according to Sankhya qualities gun, these are the constituent entities of Prakriti. Next, according to Sankhya, gun may be derived by gun, but according to Nyaya Vaiseshika, gun is without gun in itself as red, yellow, green, sabd, pleasure, pain, etc. Next, number of qualities are 24. In Sankhya, such difference are not found. Now, evolution of its Prakriti. When unique relation between Prakriti and Purush takes place, Sarup Parinam is disturbed and Virup Parinam starts. Chov of gun in equilibrium starts due to which subtle and concrete things begin to occur. It is just like the emergence of tide in the calm ocean. In this stage, 24 steps occur, known as Mahat, sense organs, working organs, uh, tanmatras, etc. Evolution is illustrated by a figure which will I provide you at the finish of this topic. Now Prakriti and Purush both are finished. This is very important. Several times these are asked in UPSC. So take care of listening properly. Okay friend, thank you.